A crime scene diagram visually documents the setting of a crime as it appeared when it was discovered. It typically includes a layout of the environment, location of the victim or victims, blood spatter, possible items of interest like weapons, footprints, and clothes, along with written details and pictorial evidence. And you can create one with ease using SmartDraw. Begin by selecting the Police and Fire category of visuals. Select the crime scene template to start from scratch. This template provides the symbol libraries you'll need to build your space and add the elements of your crime scene. Just drag a room outline to the work area and build it out by adding doors, windows, and furniture. You can learn how to do this by watching our floor plan tutorial, and if the scene is outdoors, our landscape tutorial. Now select the crime scene library here in the Smart panel. Browse through symbols like body outlines, footprints, blood spatter, weapons, gloves, and fingerprints for anything relevant to the crime, and drag them to where they belong in the scene. Use these control handles to resize or rotate your objects. Or with an object selected, choose a fill color from here in the upper toolbar to change its color. Label each potential piece of evidence with text or numbers by using the Text tool or the Shape tool. Then use the Line tool to draw arrows to each of them. Click on a shape and choose Insert Picture to add photos of the evidence. You can also right-click on an item and add a hyperlink to link to external documents, images, or other pieces of information to further explain your crime scene. It may be helpful to add measurements to your diagram. Click Show Dimensions here in the Smart panel to show all of the measurements of your space. And use this Measure Distance tool to indicate the distance between the victim, the evidence, and other relevant items in the scene. SmartDraw includes all kinds of vehicle diagrams as well, so you can similarly map out your crime scene if it took place in or around a car. A properly prepared crime scene diagram is very useful for investigative and forensic work in the criminal justice system, and you don't have to be an artist to create them quickly and easily with SmartDraw.